A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Today, me are going to read from the book we name Acts chapter 6, from verse 8 to verse 15. Stephen I did one man where God did a use to do some powerful miracle and sign amongst the people. But you did have some man where come from the church for the people we get free, because I saw them call himself. Some of them come from Cyrene, Alexandria, Cilicia, and Asia. Them man start to argue with Stephen, but they find that they couldn't manage him because the Spirit did make him well wise and tell him all what him to say. So under the quiet, then get some man to tell lie, and Stephen say, we hear the man here say some terrible thing about Moses and about God. So them rile up the people, the elder them, and the law teacher them. Them run down upon Stephen, grab him and drag him go to the place where the leader they meet and make him turn up in front of them. Then carry in some man to tell lie upon Stephen. Them say, the man here not top talk terrible sitting against the place here where holy, against the law where God give Moses forgive we. We hear him say, the one Jesus will come from Nazareth and go mash down the place here and make we live different from how Moses tell we father them to live. Everybody where they sit down in the place where they meet, fasten them eye upon Stephen and see same face did a shine like one angel. A God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.